I'm Eric, E-R-I-K, not E-R-I-C, or I'll fucking kill you. Anyway, yeah, I'd like to have a dude with me. Yes, Mom, I am gay. I'd like to have a dude who likes rap music. 'Cause I like dudes that like rap music. If you think you are interested, I do think you should call the number that you have been given for me. When we meet and you think you're the guy for me, I'd like to give you a present that I'd wrapped myself. Oops. Anyway, I'd like you to have that present because I want you to know how important to me you really are. My last boyfriend said I didn't think he was important enough. So I'd like to treat you with care. Call my number. Yeah.